Hey, what's going on? In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up or connect the Skullcandy Sesh wireless earbuds, these guys right here, the one that looks like these, with a Samsung phone that is currently with either Android 10 or Android 11. Okay, so this tutorial is only for Samsung phones with Android 10 and Android 11. I'm positive it works with these two phones this way. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. Before you actually do anything with your phone, first and most importantly is to get these earbuds into a pairing mode state. All right, so normally if you take them out of the case and you do this like that, they should start to flash with this blue lights and then eventually enter into a pairing mode. Okay, and let's just say that that doesn't work for you, that did not happen, they're not entering into pairing mode. First, let's go ahead and force them to shut down. So that's the first step. So shut them down. You'll hold down the buttons here, the physical buttons right there. Hold it down until they flash in red. So let's do that. Okay, just hold it. And there you go. So make sure they flash in red. It's that single red flash. That means they're now both in an off state. Next up, and this is how it works for me, what you're going to do is while they are in an off state together at the same time, you'll press down on these two physical buttons. You hold it down for at least 2 seconds. And during the time when you're holding it down for 2 seconds, you'll notice how they both will flash in blue. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is hold it down like this together. So 1, 2, and you also will hear a voice prompt about that it's power on and all of that stuff. Okay, now the next thing is wait for it to flash. Both of them are going to flash in blue together. So wait for both of them to flash in blue together. Wait for it. You just have to be a little patient. So it just takes a couple of seconds sometimes until the earbuds catches itself. I just don't know why they set it up like that. So just wait for that. There you go, that one right there. And now the left earbud is going to go into a pairing mode. So you'll still wait. So you just have to be patient, and there you go. So the left earbud has now entered into pairing mode. And with the two of them doing that blue solid light flash together means that they sync into each other. And now the left side, which is the host earbud, has entered into a pairing mode state. Okay, so you are on the right track if you have gotten it to that part so far. And now we will dive into the Bluetooth settings of our Samsung phone. So it can be an A12 and A20, whatever model it is you have, make sure it's Android 10 or Android 11. So we'll use a quick panel access here, and you look for the Bluetooth option here. That's the fastest way. When you see it, long press it, and this will take you into the main Bluetooth settings here, and go ahead and just turn that on. And as you do that, it's going to start searching for nearby devices. You should see the Sesh appear here, and just tap on that, and you'll get that pairing request. Just wait for that. Press pair, and it's going to say pairing, and then it'll show you that's connecting, and it's going to show you the volume appears and Sesh connected for calls and media audio. Okay, and that's pretty much it for this tutorial here. And for some of us, in some cases, maybe you did not do the long press together properly and it didn't pair up like how it should. Just pay attention to the right side, because in some cases the right side may have not been paired up, just the left side. So this is the left side and this is the right side. Watch the light indicator here. If it's still flashing in blue, that means it's just like in an idle mode searching. And to get this thing sync together with the left side, just make sure they're both in your ears, and the right side, you're going to long press it while it's in your ears. You will hear like a tone sound play. And as soon as you hear that tone sound, just quickly let go of the button, and then you'll hear that it's sync with the left side, giving you full on paired up mode. Okay, so that like they're going to be syncing to each other, paired up, and you'll hear audio coming out from the both of them. All right, so that's pretty much it for this tutorial. Hopefully it helped you out, and thanks for watching.